Have you ever bought a lipstick because it looked absolutely stunning on your favorite influencer, but when you put it on, it made you look sick? Or maybe it just looked completely off, highlighting every dark circle and making your teeth look yellow? If you're nodding along, you've fallen into the influencer trap. But here's the secret, it's not about how light or dark your skin is. The real key to finding your perfect lipstick shade is understanding your skin's undertone. So, how do you figure out your undertone? It's easier than you think. Let's do a few quick tests right now. First, the vein test. Look at the veins on the inside of your wrist. If they look mostly green, you have a warm undertone. If they look more blue or purple, you're cool-toned. If you can't really tell, or you see a mix of both, you're likely neutral. Still not sure? Let's try the jewelry test. Think about whether gold or silver jewelry makes your skin pop. If gold makes you look radiant and alive, you're warm. If silver brightens up your complexion, you're cool. Neutrals can usually pull off both. Another clue is how your skin reacts to the sun. Do you burn easily and turn pink? That's a classic sign of a cool undertone. If you tan easily and get a golden brown glow, you're probably warm. For the final test, grab a plain white t-shirt or even a white piece of paper and hold it up to your face in natural light. If your skin looks a bit yellow or sallow next to the stark white, you're warm. If your face looks more rosy or pink, you're cool. Okay, diagnosis complete. Now for the fun part, picking your colors. If you are cool-toned, you want to look for blue-based lipsticks. Think about shades like berry, plum, deep rose, cherry red, and mauve. These colors will complement your skin beautifully. You'll want to avoid anything too orange, like corals or coppers, as they can clash with your cool undertones. If you are warm-toned, you're the opposite. You'll look incredible in orange or yellow-based colors. Keywords to look for are coral, brick red, peach, terracotta, and fiery, orange-based reds. You should steer clear of icy pinks or purplish berries, as they can make your skin look washed out. And what if you're neutral? Well, you've hit the jackpot. You're the universal receiver of the lipstick world and can wear almost anything. Both warm and cool shades can look great on you. However, you'll find that muted tones are especially flattering. Think dusty rose, muted berry, or a soft mauve. Now, let's talk about the trickiest shade of all, the perfect nude lipstick. So many people make the mistake of trying to match their skin tone exactly. This is what leads to that dreaded concealer lips look where your lips just disappear into your face. Here's the fix, your perfect nude isn't the color of your skin, it's the color of your inner lip. Gently pull your bottom lip down and look at the color inside, that's the shade family you should be aiming for. And I have another game-changing hack for you. Stop swatching lipsticks on the back of your hand or your wrist. That skin is often much paler and has a different texture than your lips. Instead, swatch on your fingertip. The skin on your fingertip has more blood flow and is much closer to your natural lip color, giving you a far more accurate preview of how the lipstick will actually look on your face. Once you've found a potential winner, don't buy it just yet. Lighting is everything. Department store lighting is notoriously misleading. It's designed to make everything look good. So, swatch the lipstick on your fingertip, grab a small mirror, and walk over to a window or step outside into natural daylight. This is the only way to see the true color. While you're out there, do the teeth test. Smile. Blue-based lipsticks, like those gorgeous cherry reds for cool tones, have a magical ability to make your teeth look instantly whiter. On the other hand, some orange-based reds can unfortunately bring out any yellow tones in your teeth. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference. Finally, a quick bonus tip, texture matters. A matte lipstick is great for longevity and a bold look, but it can make lips appear smaller and emphasize dryness, which might not be ideal for thin or mature lips. A satin or glossy finish is more hydrating, reflects light, and can make your lips look plumper, fuller, and more youthful. So there you have it, a complete guide to never buying the wrong lipstick again. Now I want you to go to a mirror, do the vein test, and tell me in the comments below, are you team warm or team cool? Let's figure this out together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips.